Want to create viral AI influencers and earn money online? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Higgsfield's AI, a 100% free tool to create stunning AI influencer videos for social media. You can even get paid for your content. Let's go to Google and search for Higgsfield AI. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Higgsfield AI, where we can find advanced features including AI Influencer Studio Plus. Here we can create free AI influencer videos. We can access the AI Influencer feature by clicking on AI Influencer in the Studio canvas, or we can navigate to it from the top of the canvas. Once we are logged into the canvas, we can see the different AI influencers we have created previously. Let's build a new influencer. Click on Build Influencer. Here we can select the character type. There are different options such as human, ant, bee, octopus, crocodile, and many more. We can also choose a gender for our AI influencer. We can select the origin base like African, Asian, European, or Indian according to our needs. We can also select skin color, eye color options like black, purple, green, white, and brown, and customize the overall look of our influencer. We can select skin condition and age conditions like adult, mature, or senior, whichever suits our needs. There are also advanced settings available. Once toggled on, we can customize the face of our AI influencer in detail, including eyes, ears, teeth, face shape, chin, and surface pattern according to our preferences. We can also customize the body. Additionally, we can generate an influencer by entering a detailed prompt describing exactly what we want. Now let's build an influencer using the builder. First, select the character type. For this demonstration, we will choose human. Next, select the gender. Options include female, male, trans men, trans women, and more. We will select female for now. Now select the origin base. I'll choose European. Next, select the skin color for our influencer. After that, select the eye color. I'll choose blue, but you can select according to your preference. For skin condition, I won't choose any specific option, and for age, I'll just select adult. Now we can customize the face according to our needs. From here, we can see detailed options and customize everything precisely. With advanced settings, we can make our influencer more refined and attractive. After selecting face options, we can customize the body. Select body type, left arm, left leg, and right leg according to our preferences. We can also select a style for our AI influencer. Once everything is done, we can see all our selected options displayed. Human, female, European, and all other choices appear on our influencer screen. Click on Generate AI Influencer. It takes a few seconds to generate, so be patient. Once our AI influencer is ready, we can see Higgsfield AI has created a high quality influencer according to our specifications. Everything we selected is reflected in our AI influencer: eye color, skin color, and many more. Here we find different options. We can regenerate our AI influencer, edit it with Nano Banana Pro, make it into a video, or save it as an influencer cover. Now let's create a video of this AI influencer. We can see free viral motions available. Click on Explore More. Here we see different trending AI influencer poses that are viral on social media. Select one according to your needs and it will instantly appear on the right side of the canvas. Select the video quality. We will choose 1080 pixels for high resolution. Adjust the control mode according to your needs, then click Generate. Once our AI influencer video is ready, let's play it and see. It looks amazing, by the way. We have created such a wonderful AI influencer video with the help of Higgsfield AI. We can also download our influencer video for free. Click on download. Once downloaded, let's play it. It looks amazing. So it's now very easy to create AI influencers with Higgsfield AI. Now click on Explore, then click on Higgsfield Earn. Here we can upload our content and earn in dollars. There are three simple steps. First, log into your account. Second, create viral content and post it to your feed. Simply paste the URL link in the dashboard for tracking. Third, get your money. Unlock rewards and receive payments for your video growth, plus 24-hour and 7-day bonuses. With this feature, many creators earn hundreds of dollars every week. Now let's create one more AI influencer. Click on AI influencer, then click create new. Select the character type. This time I'll choose crocodile. Select the gender, then click generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the influencer. Our influencer is ready. Let's make it into a video. Click on video and select one of the motion options. Select the video quality according to your needs. Once everything is set, click generate. It takes a few seconds to generate the video, so be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play and see AI influencer video we created using Higgsfield AI. With the help of Higgsfield AI, you can create AI influencers, post them on social media, and earn money in dollars. From today, you can create and customize AI influencers according to your needs. So that's how you can create AI influencers using Higgsfield AI for free. Try it yourself using the link in the description and start earning today. So that's it from Teaching Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. And until next one, goodbye and take care.